So, good morning, Mrs. Smith. I am JP, your personal caregiver for today. So, for today, according to the doctor's order po, magbabating po tayo. Okay lang po ba yun, Mrs. Smith? Okay, so Mrs. Smith, sa pagbabating po natin, magkakaroon po tayo ng direct contact. So, hand in hand. So, okay lang po ba na mangingi po ako ng consent na hawakan ko po any of your body parts except your private and your upper body po. Okay po. So, mag-provide lang po ako ng privacy, ma'am. Close ko lang po yung curtain and then turn off ko po yung aircon. After pong ma-turn off the aircon, ma'am, prepare ko lang po yung mga materials and I assured na dapat lahat po ng materials na na-prepare ko is sanitized. Okay po? So, prepare ko lang po ang mga materials. So, nandito ang ang pang perineal care, oral care. Nandito ang mga pang-bathing like soap, shampoo, cotton, alcohol, feminine wash, sterilized water, betadine, sterilized gloves, sterilized cotton tip, sterilized gauze, and then asepto syringe, forceps, ano pa? Eye drops, petroleum jelly, and then the thermometer, which is the infrared thermometer. I also have Kelipad po, and bedpan. Meron din po akong dalawang pail, and then water, and then beeper. Ito naman po, meron po akong 5 sets of towel, and then privacy sheet, alcohol, big bath towel, new gown, and meron din po ako ditong garbage bin. I also have here the sink with liquid soap and set of basin with towel. So once na na-prepare po lahat ng materials, hand wash lang po ako. Sanitize. Put gloves. Check lang po natin yung temperature nyo, Mrs. Smith. So, sanitize naman po ito. So, according to the infrared thermometer, ang body temperature nyo po is 36.8. So, okay naman po. So, ngayon po, Mrs. Smith, after ko pong ma-check ang inyong temperature, body temperature, gusto nyo po munang mag-urinate para if ever po na sunod-sunod po yung bathing po natin for your bodies, hindi po tayo ma-interrupt. Okay po. So, close the baba lang po natin yung side rails. Okay. Get the bedpan. And then Mrs. Smith, yung bedpan po, sterilize na din po yan. Okay, insert lang po natin yung bedpan. Then, lift ko lang po yung hips nyo in 1, 2, 3. Okay, provide the privacy. So, habang nag-urinate po kayo, Mrs. Smith, prepare ko lang po yung other materials. Okay, assuming na tapos na ang pag-urinate ni patient, get the soiled bedpan with urine. Mrs. Smith, remove ko lang po yung bedpan in 1, 2, 3. Okay, after urination po, kunin ko lang po yung privacy sheet.
Ay, lobat na. Yan na. Close na kang tingko. Close na lang. Thank you.
Piso po.
Sira na dikit yan dyan.
i-remove ko lang po top sheet and then putting the new privacy sheet. After ma-remove po ang top sheet, so ang proper dispose ng top sheet or pag-discard is to roll the top sheet. And then get the bumper. Okay, after providing a privacy sheet to the patient, mag-proceed na po tayo sa oral care. So, positioning the bed into a semi-fowler position, which is 45 degree. And then move the hazard. After, prepare the materials. Mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrush, sets of water, and then proceed to the oral care. Okay, pagka po nag-work tayo sa any sides, pwede po natin ibaba. Okay, Mrs. Smith, gargle lang po kayo ng water, then spit, gargle, spit. Proceed po tayo for applying the toothpaste. Okay, brush lang po, Mrs. Smith. Next, water, gurgle, spit, water, gurgle, spit. Then, mouthwash. Gurgle, spit. Okay? So, pat. Next, proceed na po tayo sa here. Then, reposition the patient into supine position. Next, removing the pillow. So, always ask permission. So, Mrs. Smith, proceed na po tayo sa hair. So, provide ko lang, mag-prepare lang po ako ng materials. So, first is the rubber mat. So, Mrs. Smith, angat ko lang po yung ulo nyo. Next, towel. Smith, angat ko lang po. And then, Kelly pad. Smith, angat ko lang po.